As you sip on that warm gelatin trick mixture, something amazing starts to happen inside your body. Your digestive system begins to unwind, like a gentle morning stretch, and your skin starts to feel more supple, more resilient, like it's being nourished from the inside out. It's as if your body is drinking in the goodness, and it all starts with the gelatin. Now, I know some people might be thinking, why not collagen instead? But here's the thing, researchers say that gelatin is actually the better choice because it's more easily absorbed, and it contains all the amino acids your body needs to thrive. My friend, who's been doing the gelatin trick for weeks, swears by its ability to calm her digestive issues and give her a radiant glow. The gelatin trick is all about harnessing the power of gelatin to transform your body, and it's surprisingly simple. Just dissolve some unflavored gelatin in warm water, add a squeeze of lemon, and you're good to go. To get the full lowdown on how to make the gelatin trick work for you, check out the link in my description below, and be sure to take a look at the pinned comment for some extra tips and tricks to get you started on your gelatin trick journey. By incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier you.